Hello everyone, good morning. Today we are going to do a day in life of my planners. This is fairly early morning. Today is 19th of February and it's a Saturday. It is one of those weekend days where my day is super busy, and to add to my procrastination, I'm filming this video today. You'll see how my day progresses, especially in the life of my planner. It is not that early morning right now. I slept in because it's a weekend. I have finished a certain part of my miracle morning routine. I have kind of not made my bed. As you can see, I'm still on my bed. I've just done 5 minutes of silence. I'm really sorry if this video is slightly shaky because I'm shooting all of this with hand. So once I'm done with my silence time, I take out my Alicia Souza planner and I will read the affirmations which are right there. This page, I'm not sure if the light is catching well. This page, I will read this page aloud, sometimes not that aloud. But most of the days, if it is not weekend, I will do this exercise on my desk. I generally make my bed, but today is a weekend and I want to give myself a little leeway and do some procrastination before I actually do my work. And you will see my day is super busy today. But before getting boggled down with that, I will read out my affirmations. Post my affirmations, I will come to this place. Just visualize my happy place. As you know, this is sort of my happy place spread. I will just visualize my happy place for about couple of minutes. Go through each and every picture here. Close my eyes for a bit and just visualize my happy place. This is a really positive affirming exercise. Instead of looking at your visions and goals and things like that, just think of happy place. It is, no matter how bad your day is going to be, how good your day is going to be, if you visualize your happy place early in the morning, instead of visualizing your goals and things you have to do and stuff like that, it will help you calm down first thing in the morning. Today, as I said, is 19th February. Once I have actually, if you've seen my setup video, you know for a fact that I did not have these cute washi tapes added. So I've made some changes along the way to my spreads, which is inevitable. So I will now write in my affirmations and I will be back. So hi, I am back again and I am done with my gratitude for today. I will now move on to my water, sugar, junk, all of that trackers. So let's see. So yesterday I was really great at drinking water. So I have definitely had more than 4 liters of water. So I'll put in my water. Yeah, I didn't have any sugar, so I will put in across here. Junk, I definitely did have a cheese toast sandwich. So yes, junk, I have had junk. I did not post on YouTube. I did not post anything on Instagram. So that's going to be that. Then I will move on to my social media tracker. If I have posted anything, this is my social media tracker. So if I have posted anything on YouTube, I will put this here. But I have not posted anything. So this is pretty much the end of my routine. I'm extremely sorry because I'm doing this all with one hand. The phone is in my other hand. So bear with me. Apart from that, now I will go on to do other things in my morning routine. So what I've essentially done in the miracle morning routine, I've finished my silence, I've finished my affirmations, I've finished my visualization and the scribbling part. Now I will go ahead and do a little bit of stretching. One thing that is extremely difficult for me at this point is to do any sort of reading. I do have a book right on my study table, but I am not getting into the groove of reading. I think I'm reading less than 10 pages in a week, so I just want to get into the groove back. But today, as I said, I'm going to again skip reading and I'm absolutely angry for it. But I have a really hectic day and you will see why. So that's absolutely okay. I'm actually cutting the slack because I think it is the lull period for my reading journey at this point, and I'm absolutely okay with that. So I will check in with you next when I am opening one of my other planners. So I'm back. Breakfast has been had, lunch has been prepped. It is approximately 12:15 in the afternoon and I have to set my day up. Now, as I told you earlier, that it's a super busy day. So I'm just going to use my trusty post-it note. If you've seen my AliExpress haul, you know that I've called this, it's very difficult to do it with one hand, but I will try. Yeah, I'm messing everything up. Sorry. So I will go ahead and plan in my post-it note. This essentially has an hourly view. And today I have so many things to do. I just want to use this to get sorted. So I'm going to use my accomplished planner and I will see, again, this will be blurred out for you. I'm really sorry. But I will see the things to do that I have to do this weekend. Can I push it to tomorrow or should I do it today? That will be the question. And this is my weekend to-do list. And this is my YouTube to-do list. So this is personal, this is YouTube. And I will pick and choose what tasks I have to do today. I already have a ton of things planned with the kids. I went to Muji yesterday and I'm super excited. I bought a bunch of stationery. It is not as much that I will like to do a haul video, but a few pens and a few planners. The Muji planner is beautiful. I didn't buy that because I have enough planners, but the Muji planners, if you guys are still looking at some planners, I think the Muji planners are beautiful. So I will not do a haul, but you will see here and there in all my videos the new stationery that I bought. So the same pen that I use extensively, I bought obviously backups for this, and I bought a few more colors in the same pen because I love this pen so much. So let's start. I'm going to use my pink pen. Oh, there is... Okay, this goes. So I'm just going to use my pink pen. It is already 12 noon at this point, so I'm not going to plan anything till 12 noon. I have to meet someone at 2, so I'm just going to block this 1 hour for my meeting. I'm not writing here who I am meeting here. Actually, I'm just meeting them for 15-20 minutes. I will have to travel. Sorry, my handwriting is taking a toll. Somebody is meeting me at home, so I just have to travel after 2:30 and I'm going to pick up my nephew. Post that, I have a tennis class for my son. So here, I think till 6:30 will be tennis class. So this is the, sorry, my spellings are taking a toll. This is the time slot I'm blocking for the tennis class here. My nephew and I will play while my son learns tennis. So that is the plan here. Post that, I would like to take them for dinner. While that happens, here I will take them to the park post dinner, and this will be prepping for sleep for both of them. So when 9:30, when both of them are asleep, I will actually start editing this video. So I'm keeping an hour for editing, and I also have to plan a vacation. So somewhere during the day, I'm going to put in a different color. Oh, even this is... See, I love new stationery because you get to do this. So, yeah. So, here I'm going to prioritize what things I have to do today. One is to plan, book tickets, shortlist hotels. So that is something I'll have to do all through the day. And in the night, if I have a half an hour somewhere here, this I'm writing in a different color because this is not supposed to be done. I'll have to do it either during the day or if I have 10-15 minutes at night. So here I'm just going to write plan travel. If the video is too shaky, I'm extremely sorry. I'm recording this on my phone. So this is what my day is going to look like. I still have to figure out the place for dinner. I still have to figure out which park I'm going to take the kids to. And I still have to plan my entire vacation, which is a task by itself. So that is my things to do today. Now what I will do is essentially the accomplished planner will be with me all the times because it has my notes pages. Either I will take this planner or I'm planning to take my tall elephant planner with me all day because remember in the tall elephant planner there is this expense grid that I almost never use. I'm going to use that for my travel planning so I can tick off things, make notes and whatever because empty pages in that book have also to be used. So I'm planning not to take my accomplished planner today with me on the go because it's a weekend. On weekdays the accomplished planner will go with me no matter what. So I'm going to pick up whenever I leave today, I will pick up my tall elephant planner. So that is the plan, and this is a sticky note essentially. Wow, everything is very difficult with one hand. So this is a sticky note essentially which I will put up on the first page of the planner to keep me on track and make sure that I'm not missing anything, and to keep me reminded that these are the top priority things that I have to do today. Though I have not slotted any time, but I'm hoping when the kids are playing, I will be able to do all of these things. So whenever next I pick up my planner, I will record that as well. So I'm back. It is around past 10 p.m. and I'm happy to report that I have been able to accomplish everything that I set out for today. So all of these things happened. I just had to switch dinner and park the other way around. The kids are asleep, and this is essentially my time for editing and planning my travel. I would like to also report that I was able to book my tickets. Now I have to do a lot of other things. I took the Tall Elephant Planner today out with me. In the expense tracker of my Tall Elephant Planner, I've actually written things to do for the upcoming trip that I have. I'm just going to fill this in today, right now, so that I know what else is pending. I will also figure a few things out from my travel plan, because that was one of the priorities. That was one of my priorities for today. So I'm just going to sort a little bit of my travel plan and figure out other details, and I'll report back. So what I did is essentially go on the internet, see what I have to do essentially to plan this trip. Did a rough itinerary here, and technically at this point I had to start editing this particular video, but I'm too exhausted to do that. The kids are asleep. I need to put my hair down, probably watch a couple of things on television, and then call it a day. So I'm not really editing per se. So I will check in with you when I am ready to go to bed. So hi, I'm back. I'm in my bed, cozy and comfy. TV has been watched, hair has been oiled. So everything that I was set out to do today has been done. So this is pretty much my night/evening winding down routine. As you can see, I'm almost in bed. This is the time I'll take to read all my affirmations that I have for myself here. I will now go through my vision boards, and in the process I'm also giving a thought on how my day was, what were the events of the day, how will I rate the day, all of that. So while I'm flipping through these pages, I will obviously start rating my day. So according to me, today's day was great. I could really spend quality time with the kids, and so I would rate today's day as great day. It was not definitely productive, but it was a great day. So today is the 19th, so I will write 5 here, and this is how my last month and a half has been like. As you guys already know, I consolidate my day in few words, so here I will write my few words for the day. Now since I have with the last 2 exercises, I have all my thoughts already in place, so I will take a moment and journal about my day here. As you know, today is the 19th, and I will definitely journal about my day here, and I will quickly move on to my happiness or my worry jar. Now today I really surprisingly don't have anything to mention in either of the 2 places, so I'm pretty zen, as I would like to call myself today. So this page will not be filled in today, and there are days that I will definitely not fill in these pages, and there will be days that I will fill in too many things in these pages. So these pages will go blank. I will fill in my family and friends tracker. Sorry, this will be blurred out for you, and I know it is slightly annoying, but these are some private things that I really don't want to be shared on the internet. I will now write down my savers morning and evening routine. I could definitely do silence. I could do affirmations. I could do visualizations. I could definitely scribble in the morning. I did also stretch for a little bit in the morning, so exercise also was done. As I mentioned in the morning, I did not read. I definitely will do the silence immediately after this, because in the evening my savers routine just goes backward. So mostly I have exercised first, or probably go to the gym for 20-25 minutes, which I have already done for the day. I will do silence after I've shot all of this. I have gone through affirmations, I've gone through visualization. Scribbling is something that I have already done. Again, reading goes blank for me today, as I don't intend to read anymore. So this is my savers routine. I will now go in and write the food that I've eaten today. So yeah, this is pretty much it for the day in life of my planners. This is when I will shut down for the day, do a few minutes of silence, and I should be done for the day and sleeping. As you saw, my planner routine is fairly simple and short. Long planner routines make you overwhelmed. I take about 5 minutes in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes during the day, and about 10 minutes in the night. This concludes everything that I do in my planner. But what happens is on working day, this is slightly different. On a working day, I spend pretty much all day in my Neorah planner. If you want to see one of those videos, please do comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely make that for you. This simple planner routine not only keeps me productive but also keeps my mental health in check. Of course, it gives me immense joy because I'm using stationery, I'm writing things down, so that is something I am extremely passionate about, and that is one of the reasons I am consistent. Also, I'm trying this new video concept and filming style. Do let me know what do you think. What are your thoughts? And if you like this video, please do hit the thumbs up button because it will encourage me to make such videos more. So that is it. I am signing off for the day and from the video. Thank you for watching. If you have come so far in the video, I'm truly grateful for you. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video. Bye now.